How y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. If you all about fun, food, and family, you popped up at the right place. So make sure you all subscribe, hit that post notification bell, thumbs up this video, share it out, and leave me a comment. And let me know you here. And if you want a shout out, check the description box below and send me an email. Shout out. Shout me out. Okay, y'all. Today is going to be very simple. I am going to show, or a cooking tutorial, how to make the easiest recipe on earth. And that is nice, fluffy butter rice. So if you're into rice, you have to watch this if you're having problems cooking rice. It's a lot of people don't know how to cook the perfect fluffy buttered rice, and I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you how to do it on the stove. I'm going to show you how to do it in a rice cooker. Now, I never used a rice cooker, but today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect rice in a rice cooker and a perfect rice on the stove in a saucepan. So let's get to it. Okay, first I am turning on my instant rice cooker. Make sure that red light is on because it's only an on and off switch. Now I'm preparing my rice. 1 cup of rice. 2 cups of water. That's 1 cup. 2 cups. 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir that a little. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and that's real butter. We're going to stir it, and we're going to put the top on. That's simple. But let me tell you something. Usually time I wash my rice off, I actually forgot to wash my rice, so make sure you all wash your rice off. But that's it with the instant cooker. You turn it on, and it cooks for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, the water is boiling, it's steaming, and it also cuts off by itself. So this is a cool rice cooker. And the rice is nice, buttery, and fluffy, as you can see. Look at it. Fluffy, buttery, instant rice in 15 minutes. Your perfect butter rice if you use an instant rice cooker. I don't. I'm old-fashioned, and I love to cook my rice on the stove in a saucepan. So here I am preparing the rice for the stove top cooking. I use 2 cups because, baby, my household love this type of rice. So I use 2 cups of rice, and now I am washing it off. I'm just running it regular water over and over again. As you can see, the water is very cloudy, and I'm just mixing it up and stirring it and kind of getting all the little dust and dirt and whatever else is on the rice. I'm washing off, and I do this step about 5 to 10 times. It just depends. I want that water to run clear, so I do about 5 to 10 times. As you can see, the water is getting clearer and clearer. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water. So I use 2 cups of rice, so that means I need 4 cups of water. Next, I was doing the knuckle measurement. So if you bend your finger into the water and just lay your knuckle right over the rice, make sure the water is not past that top line of your finger. So now I got it on the stove with the fire up high. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I have 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 teaspoons of salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt, and this is the 2nd teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix that up a little. And we're going to put the top on. Make sure the fire is on high. We want to bring this to a boil. Once when it starts boiling, drop the heat to a low. We want this to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's done. Look how fluffy, buttery it is. I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy. look, on stovetop and on instant. This recipe is easy. It's nice, fluffy, and buttery. Now, if you don't want the butter, you don't have to add the butter. If you don't want the salt, you don't have to add the salt. But baby, you can use this rice with chili beans, with gumbo, with jambalaya. You can make some shrimp fried rice. You can do anything with this perfect cooked rice with how many ingredients? 4 ingredients: rice, water, butter, and salt. Comment below and let me know if you're going to try this easy recipe.